Hi guys, what's up? I hope y'all are doing well and staying safe. For those of you who've been here, thank you so much for your support and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, I'm Pratiksha Kaushik and I make videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So welcome to my channel. I am so glad you are here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Nykaa haul. Nykaa had their super summer sale a few weeks ago. I picked out a lot of products. Most of these products are products that I've been wanting to try. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. Now, before we get into the video, I would like to tell you all that this is not a review video. I'm not going to be reviewing any products as such, but I will be giving you all a first impressions. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Now, before we get into the video, I would like to request you all to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is pratiksha_kaushik7. It's flashing on screen right now. Without making this intro any longer, let's just get started. I'm going to divide this video into two categories. So I'm going to be showing all the skincare first and then all the makeup products. I will be flashing the prices of each product on screen. I will leave an MRP as well as the price I got it for, although I think the sale is over now, and the links to all the products will be in the description box below. So if you do want to check out any of these products, feel free to do so. Yeah, I'm going to be starting off with skincare. Let's get started. So the first product in the skincare category is a sunscreen. You know that the summers are here and sunscreen is and should be a really important part of your skincare routine. The one I picked up is this one. It's the L'Oreal Paris UV Perfect Matte and Fresh sunscreen. It is SPF 50 plus. It's a very creamy texture and it does not leave a white cast. It absorbs into your skin. It doesn't feel oily at all, so I think it's a really great product. The next product in the skincare category is a moisturizer. I picked out the Pond's Light Moisturizer, non-oily, fresh hair for soft and glowing skin, vitamin E plus glycerine. This is what it looks like, and this brand gives me nostalgia. I think I've grown up using this brand. Their body lotions and their face creams, their BB creams, I've just grown up using this brand and I absolutely love how affordable it is while it also does the work. If you know, this moisturizer comes in two variants. One is the gel form and one is the creamy form. Because I am a dry skin type, I wanted something really thick, and that is why I picked out the creamy texture. This is what it looks like. It does not feel sticky, it does not feel heavy, it gets absorbed into the skin really easily. And it smells amazing. If you are not someone who likes fragrances in their skincare product, maybe this is not a product for you, but I absolutely don't mind that. And that's about this. The third product in the skincare category is a face wash. So I picked out the Simple Moisturizing Face Wash. I'm really looking forward to trying it. I haven't tried it on yet, but coming to the packaging is very simple. It's like a normal face wash with a plastic tube. It's not the cheap plastic. It's a very sturdy plastic. So very simple, very basic. It has a very mild fragrance. Really looking forward to trying this product. The next product in the skincare category is a face scrub. So I got my hands on the MCafe Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. Now this is a product that I've tried before. I really love the product. Again, it comes in a very basic box packaging and then a tube. This is what it looks like. So since I've used this product, I might as well give you a review. The texture of this product is perfect. It's not too harsh on the skin. It's not too light as well that it does not do the work. It does the work. It really helps remove all the dead skin cells, and yeah, and it smells amazing. I think all MCaffeine products, if you're a coffee lover and you like the smell of coffee, you will love the smell of all of these products. So yeah, this is a thumbs up for me. If you're looking for a good face scrub, you should definitely give this a try. The next product in the skincare category is a face mask. Again, I got my hands on the MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. It is the same range as the face scrub, and I've never tried this product before, so I'm really looking forward to trying it. It comes in a very basic box packaging. It's a basic glass tub. It also comes with a spatula, which is great, because otherwise you have to look for a brush, or you have to use your fingers to apply the face mask. This really helps do the job and not make it very messy. I'm really looking forward to trying this product because I've heard a lot of reviews, and I love this brand personally. I think their products are amazing. Now, with the MCaffeine products, I got a few things free because I ordered a lot of stuff, and so I just thought I'll share those as well. The first one is a hand cream. It smells amazing. I cannot do without hand cream, especially now where we're using so much more sanitizer. My hands tend to get really dry, so I always carry a hand cream with me. But I've never tried the MCaffeine hand cream. This is what it looks like. The same packaging as the face scrub. It's actually really moisturizing, and yeah, I think it's going to be one of my favorite hand creams. I also got this little bag from MCaffeine with 3 travel size products. First of which is a face scrub, which I have used before and I restocked, and I highly recommend this product. The other 2 products are a body scrub and a scalp scrub. Now, a body scrub again is something that I have used before. It is an amazing product. Again, it has a perfect texture for a scrub. It's not very harsh on the skin. It's not very light that it does not do the job. It really helps exfoliate your skin really well. I already have a big size of this product, and I highly recommend this product as well. The other product is a coffee scalp scrub. Now, this is not something that I've tried before, but I really look forward to trying it. I think it's really important to even exfoliate your scalp. I'm really looking forward to trying this product. If you have used a scalp scrub before, let me know what your experience was in the comments below. Now, the next product is again a moisturizer, a face moisturizer. Both of these are from Olay. It's a night and a day cream. So this one is Olay Total FX 7-in-1 night and day cream. Now, I didn't buy this for myself. I bought this for my mom because she's been using it, and but I did use it when I came here, and I think it's an amazing product again. When I came here, I had a lot of scars on one side of my face. The moisturizer that I've been using ever since I came here is this one, and I combined this with a vitamin C serum, and that has really helped reduce my acne scars. I think this is a really good product. The next product in the skincare category is a lip balm. So I got my hands on the Sebamed Lip Defense Triple Protection Lip Balm with an SPF 30. I love this product. My lips do tend to get chapped. So this has really been my savior. It was prescribed to me by my doctor. It's a little bit on the expensive end, but it really does the job. I highly recommend this product. Now, the next product is not really in skincare but comes under hair care, and it is a Sebamed Everyday Shampoo for normal to dry hair. Now, Sebamed is one brand that a lot of doctors recommend here in India. And again, this was prescribed to me by my doctor when I had a lot of hair fall, and I was really facing a lot of hair issues. And this is like an everyday shampoo. I'm someone who kind of washes my hair very often, like once in 2 days maximum. So this is like a very mild shampoo, and it really does the work. It kind of strengthens your roots. Your hair does not, it also reduces breakage. I was facing a lot of breakage issues where my hair would break. It wouldn't like fall off from the roots, but it was very brittle. My hair was very brittle and it would just break. This has really helped me in terms of my hair problem. I highly recommend this product. Okay, so the next product in the skincare category is a serum, and this is a very hyped product in the market, not just by people but also by the brand. This is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. If you don't know, hyaluronic acid is a humectant. A humectant is something that absorbs moisture from the air and gives it to your skin, so your skin can retain all that moisture and helps keep it hydrated. I haven't tried this product, but I've heard a lot. Since I'm a dry skin type, I do need products that really keep my skin hydrated, and that's why I went on to pick up the hyaluronic acid serum. The outer packaging is pretty basic. It's a box. It's a basic box packaging, but I love the inside packaging. It's a clear glass bottle. Now I'm guessing they should do the job like glycerine, because again glycerine is another humectant. So I'm guessing they should be like that, but yeah. So as I said, it feels like glycerine. It's not very sticky. It has a very water-like texture. It does not feel very heavy. Serums are not supposed to feel very heavy on the skin, so it has a very water-like texture. I'm really looking forward to trying this product. I might give you a review of this product as well, so stay tuned for that. So that's it for the skincare category. Now without wasting too much time, let's just move on to the makeup category. Before going on to the makeup category, I would like to tell you all that if you do decide to try any of these products, please do a patch test on your skin and then go ahead using these products. That's all I had to say. Now let's move to the makeup category. So in the makeup category, I do not have a lot of products. It's just 5 or 6 products. Without wasting any time, I'll just quickly get into it. The first product I bought is an eyeshadow palette. It's the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the variant Rose in the Air. I picked out this palette because it has like really basic tones with which I can do multiple looks. It has like 2 transition shades, and then it has some shimmer tones, and yeah, it has some really good shades, and I actually used this palette to do my makeup today. For the price, I think it's an amazing palette because it's very pigmented. It has all the basic colors you need as a beginner. I also saw a video of Shreya Jain doing 10 looks with this one palette. So if you're interested, you can check that out as well. I will leave a link to that video in the description box below. I think it's a very versatile palette. The next product I picked out was a loose powder. I've been using compact all this while, and honestly I do not enjoy it. I don't like how my base turns out with a compact, and I wanted to give a try to a loose powder. So I picked out the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the variant medium. So this is what the packaging looks like. I did use this product today and I'm really happy with how it turned out. This is also a thumbs up from my end. If you're looking for an affordable loose powder, I think you should give this a try. The next product in the makeup category is an eyeshadow blending brush. So I got the Pro Art PE22 shadow blending brush. Now this one's really good. The bristles are really soft. It's dense at the bottom and then it's fluffier on the top. So it does not leave any harsh edges when you're trying to blend your eyeshadow. It's super affordable for an eyeshadow blending brush, and I think it really does the job well. So this is a thumbs up for me. The next product is again a set of brushes. Now this one is the Bronson Supreme 10 pieces makeup brush set. Honestly, first impressions was a big no. It's a very cheap box packaging. I absolutely dislike it. It came crushed like this, so most of the brushes are distorted. Yeah, so I honestly wouldn't recommend this product. The brushes were distorted. The packaging is really cheap. Even the plastic that comes inside the box is a really cheap packaging. It is a big no for me. I wouldn't recommend buying this product. The last product in the makeup category are 2 colored eyeliners. These are the Swiss Beauty Glimmer Liner for eyes. The 2 shades that I got are Cobalt E06 and Gold E02. Now one of it is a blue cobalt color and the other one is a gold. Again, I swatched them. I tried to use them on my eyes. The blue, it has a good pigment. The gold has absolutely nothing. You really have to go over it 2-3 times for you to see the color. So I wouldn't recommend buying these products. So that's about it for today's video. All the links of all the products are mentioned in the description box below. If you enjoyed watching this video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. This is Pratiksha signing off. Bye.